So now let us see question number 5. So in this first one is find the value of a if x minus a is a factor of x cube minus a square x plus 2. Hence factorize the given expression. Okay, first we need to find out the value of a, then we can factorize and we can find the factors of remaining terms for this. So let us solve this now. Fifth a. So according to question, given function, so f of x that is equals to x cube minus a square x plus x plus 2. Okay. A square x plus 2. And x minus a is a factor. So in the question itself they mentioned x minus a is a factor. And x minus a is a factor. If x minus a is a factor, then f of a, that means you can substitute x plus, x minus a only is a factor, so you can substitute it. That means you can substitute, so f of a value is 0, so that implies a cube minus, already a square is there, in the place of x you can substitute a plus 2, that value is 0. So a square into a is a cube, that means a cube minus a cube plus a plus 2 is equal to 0. A cube plus a cube minus a will get cancelled, then a is equals to minus 2. Okay, a value is minus 2 now. Once if you know a value, you can substitute in the place of a minus 2, then you can find out the original function. Then that f of x is equals to, now a is minus 2, so x cube minus a place is minus 2 square x plus 2. After finding a value, you should substitute and simplify. Now the function is x cube, that is minus 2 whole square is 4, so minus 4x plus x plus 2, and simplify this, x cube minus 3x plus 2. X cube minus 3x plus 2 is the function. Then we need to factorize this. By trial method, if you test with the plus or minus 1, here is constant is 2. 2 factors, so plus 1 minus 1 or plus 2 minus 2. So this time taking plus 2. Just divide x plus 2. To test whether the x plus 2 is factor or not, just test with f of minus 2. Because when a is minus 2, its value is 0. So just minus 2 cube, 3 into minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, and this is plus 6 plus 2. So minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. That's why when x is minus 2, just test with the plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2. So which is getting 0, there is a factor. Now when x is minus 2, 0. So x plus 2 is a factor. Then do division this function, x cube minus 3x plus 2. Do division, x square, x into x square is x cube. Take x square and multiply this both, x square into x cube and minus plus 2x square. Just change the sign and cancel. Then minus 2x square minus 3x plus 2. Again x is here, so again minus 2 minus 2x. So minus 2x into x is minus 2x square minus 2, that is minus 4x. If you change the sign and cancel, minus 3x plus 4x is x plus 2. So plus 1, same x plus 2, finally that is 0. So here x square minus 2x plus 1. X square minus 2x plus 1, that you can factorize. Therefore we can conclude that f of x is equals to x square minus 2x plus 1, and already x plus 2 is one of the factor. Now x square minus 2x plus 1 is, if you take in the place of 1 whole square, this is x minus 1 whole square. x plus 2. That means x minus 1 is 2 times. X minus 1 is one factor and x plus 2 is another factor. So f of x we can write like this in factorization. Right. Now, so we factorize the given expression also for finding the value of a. So see this b. A number x is selected at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Another number y is selected at random from the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16. Find the probability the product of x and y is less than or equal to 16. Okay, from this we can make the sample space first. So your experiment is two numbers are selected at random, one from 1, 2, 3, 4 and other from 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay, one number from 1, 2, 3, 4 and another number from 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay, these four numbers. So randomly if you take sample space, first number can 1, second is again 1. Right. Again 2, 1. First number is 2. So take this every number and alternately you can take this. And 3, 1 and 4, 1. Again similarly, next to 2, 1. Again 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. With this again 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. Take in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. First one I have taken. Again with the same 1, 2, 3, 4. Same again with 1, 2, 3, 4. Next number is 4, right? That you can keep. Similarly, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Next number is 9. So 9 we can take. You can close these brackets. Instead of getting confused, you can make like this. Again 1, 16 and 2, 16, 3, 16 and 4, 16. So this is the sample space. Here n of s is 16 total. Now if you observe the question, product of the two numbers is less than or equal to 16. No condition. So that event is product of two numbers is less than or equals to 16. So product of two numbers is less than or equal to 16. Then that is the event if you take. So in this less than or equal to 16 products, for example 1 into 1, that is less than 16. 2 ones are 2. Again 3 ones are 3. For example, if you take 16 twos are 32, it's more than 16. So by eliminating that, if you take remaining part, only the other values 4, 4 less than or equal to 16. So 1, 16, 1, 16 to 16 equal to 16. And 1, 1, you get 2, 1, 3, 1. That's all you can take. 4, 1 because 4 ones are 4, it's less than 16. And even 1, 4 also. Again 2, 4. Okay, 3, 4, 1, 9. So if you observe this much only, remaining all the product is greater than 16 if you observe, because 3 into 9, for example, is here. 3 into 9 if you take this 9 3 is 27, it's more than that. Then this n of e is 10, only 10 only. Then we can find out the probability of that event. That is n of e by n of s, sample space. So 10 by total we have 16. That is 5 by 8. So is the hence probability the product of x and y is less than or equal to 16 is 5 by 8. That we can make this. And see next question. It's important. The houses in a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49. So 1 to 49, then houses are in a row, they numbered. Show that there exists a value of x such that sum of the numbers of preceding the houses numbered x is equal to sum of the numbers houses following the x. Okay, if you can take the diagram, understand clearly. So let me show this. Solve to solve. So using this progressions only. So there are the numbers from 1 to 49 is written. First number is 1, second number is 2, third number is 3. So on. They written till 49. Okay, this is the house numbers are written. And there is one number x in the middle. Okay. From here, preceding numbers means before x, x minus 1, after x, x plus 1, right? So these sum and from these numbers sum should be equal. Okay. This number sum and this number sum is exactly should be equal, should come. Hence houses numbers are in AP. So as per the question, sum of the houses from 1 to x minus 1 is equal to sum of the numbers from x plus 1 to 49. That's the condition. We need to find out which number it is. Not exactly center is x. Somewhere in this slide, previous number addition, next number addition will come same. So I'll show this. So sum of houses from 1 to x minus 1 is equals to again sum of houses numbers. Sum of the houses from this house numbers from x plus 1 to 49. So SN formula you can apply here. So if you observe, there is an SN formula when you know first and last term, that is SN is equals to n by 2 into A plus L. So A is the first number, L is the last number, N is number total. Okay, now if you apply this, sum of the houses numbers from 1 to x minus 1. So total numbers is x minus 1 now. So x minus 1 by 2 into A plus L. So A is 1, first number is 1 and last is x minus 1, right? This is first case. And here numbers 49 minus x. Because last is 49, from x onwards, if you subtract this x, remaining is x plus 1 to 49. So 49 minus x is x plus 1 to 49 numbers. So 49 minus x by 2. Similarly, 49 starting number is x plus 1, ending number is 49. So x plus 1 plus 49. Yes, this if we solve, we will get the value of x clearly. Then let us solve this. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. X minus 1 into x by 2. That is equals to 49 minus x by 2. Here it can simplify 50 plus x. And you can cancel denominator to both sides to get cancelled. Then simplify x square minus x and 49 minus x into 50 plus x, that is 49 50 zone. So 2450 minus 50x plus 49x minus x square. Let's simplify both. Take x terms one side, then this is 2x square is equals to 2450 minus 50x plus 50x, because minus x is this side, then this both get cancelled. Then 2x square is equal to that. Then x square is equals to, simplify. So 2450 divided by 2. Then if you get cancelled, 2 ones are, so 1 2 2 5 1225. If x square is 1225, we know that 35 square is 1225. Therefore from this x is equals to 35. Okay, x is 35. So the required house is the house number is 35. That means if it is 35, so they clearly are saying this is 35 number. Means from 36 to 49, whatever sum is exactly equals to 1 to 34 numbers. Okay, 1 to 34 numbers sum you do addition, and 36 to 49 numbers do addition. So it's all get equal number. So equal sum you get. So that's all this we can find out. Now this is the question number 5. Now let us continue the question number 6 and we'll solve the problems.